Have you ever woken up to find little red spots all over your sheets? Did you know those small spots are probably blood? And bedbugs are most likely the suspects in question. Unfortunately, these bugs hide in your mattress and are typically carried around via a human or animal's body unknowingly. What steps can you take to implement pest control targeted at bedbugs? Have you considered creating a homemade bedbug spray? Many products today can kill bedbugs, but most of them are infused with chemicals and preservatives. Instead, try creating a Thai bedbug spray using our tips, tricks, and recipes. Start by gathering ingredients like rubbing alcohol, diatomaceous earth, baking soda, and essential oils. Don't worry, we will teach you what to mix and how to combine them to guarantee you'll become a pest control professional in no time. Natural bedbug spray or vinegar solution. If you're looking for a solution to early bedbug infestation, try using the effective method known as the vinegar solution. Purchase some white vinegar at your local convenience store and fill an empty spray bottle with the liquid. Make sure you tighten the lid before spraying the solution. Soak areas where you see signs of bedbugs, that includes bed frames and window sills in bedrooms and hotel rooms. Target all hiding places, including every crack and crevice in between furniture pieces. This solution is guaranteed to drown the little pests. You may have to do this every week for quite some time to entirely avoid the bedbug problem turning into an infestation. How vacuums can help get rid of bedbugs. If you'd like one piece of advice regarding a home remedy to get rid of bedbugs, listen to this: vacuum everything. Grab your vacuum cleaner and start vacuuming the entire house. Bedbugs are typically found under furniture, and the adult bedbugs tend to lay their eggs in the crevices of the furniture. If you start vacuuming all furniture and areas where the bedbugs can potentially hide, you'll end up attacking their nervous system and sucking them up into the hose. In turn, this will kill them and drastically lower your bedbug count in the house. Bedbugs don't like high heat. Tough bedbugs love to cozy up inside furniture. They are not able to withstand any heat treatment. If you are trying to avoid bedbug bites and you are trying to set up bedbug traps, expose the little suckers to high heat. Take all fabric items of any furniture you have. For instance, remove all sheets, pillows, rugs, and stuffed animals. Throw them all into the washing machine and set the cycle on at the highest heat you possibly.